day 43 of Path to Profitability. It is February 12th, 10:37 p.m. Today is a Thursday, and on yesterday's pre-analysis, we somewhat got it right, to be honest. So as we said that after this whole week, gold has been pretty constant for some reason, and then after Asian session yesterday, we were waiting for New York. For London. And in London, we did say that it was be mostly consolidation, taking up some of Asian highs and lows, and then getting ready for New York Open, which it actually kind of did go out just like that. New York pre-open and open, we try to look for some signs of manipulation and what was going on. So what did up happening so that we saw some manipulation to the bottom, and then my thought process on that was that it was gonna take out some more orders of the London low and then go up. So I placed my stop loss a little bit under that, and all and behold, the price did go down and it barely missed my stop loss. After I executed the trade, it barely missed it, and then it went up, and it was good for me to actually be paying attention to this trade. I wasn't on the chart necessarily, but I was looking every now and again in the morning. So when I looked into it, I was $14 profit. I could have waited and let the trade run, but between all the inexperience and emotion, I wasn't feeling it. And besides, I wanted to at least secure some break even from yesterday's loss. So when I closed that position, it was $14 profit. I closed that position, and that compensated for yesterday's loss. And after that, I just got off the chart, right? And that was a good call, because right after that, a couple minutes later, gold fucking plummeted from 5073 all the way down to 49.31, which is almost $100, if not more. Quick math, I'm not good at it. So it was more than $100 that it dropped. Why? I have no fucking clue. It was fucking chaos on New York session. No idea what was going on. Can't make anything out of it. But then after that, price kind of like tried to correct and it failed. It's still down low. So on, this is Friday now that we're looking at on the chart. It's Asian session. On Asian, it took out some of the New York lows, and then it started going up, going bullish again, and it's been pretty stagnant going on that path. It hasn't really reached our previous high from New York high. So most likely on London, it's gonna, honestly, I think on London it's either gonna it might fall. On London session, it might go down. They're gonna try and correct the price to make it go up, but honestly, I think it's gonna fail and go all the way down. And then on New York session, it's most likely just gonna stay stagnant, consolidate. That wait for Sunday opening, the price will go up again. That's kind of like the pre-analysis that I think is gonna happen. There are hella news, to be honest, for tomorrow. I think they're all on dollar. So yeah, most likely on London, it's gonna go way down. That way for Friday opening on news, it's gonna have some big ass volatility going on, and then after that, probably manipulation is gonna take it down, take up a few more orders, and then go up most likely after the London low. So that's kind of like it's going down. After that, we're pretty much on break even for the week. Not a lot of wins, not a lot of losses. Still no clear data because I haven't actually given myself enough time to journal how I'm supposed to. But we'll see how that goes. If tomorrow feels too uneasy, we might as well just not trade at all and be even for the week, which is way better than a loss. So that's pretty much it. We'll see how it's gonna react.